Hi, my name is Lori Delaney from the Associate Alumni of Douglas College, and I'm just here to do a little walkthrough for joining a Zoom event for our Black Alumni Network Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference on October 29th, 2022 at 1 p.m. Virtual doors will open at 12:45. So you will be receiving an email from Zoom, and the subject line will read, Lori Delaney registered you for the AADC Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference. In the email, you'll see a Join Event tab, and just click on there. That will bring you to a Zoom sign-in page, which you do need to have a Zoom account in order to join the event. So once you sign in, that will take you to the Jewel Plummer Cobb Sisters Conference lobby. And over here you have a main lobby chat. You also can click on your icon for your profile, and there's a couple of buttons here. One is Feeling Social, which means you're open to networking. The other one is Simply Exploring. And what that does is it puts a ring around your icon so you'll know whether someone is open to networking or just simply exploring, in which case the ring will disappear. Also, from the lobby, we have the first welcome session available to join from the lobby. And this, once the conference starts, will turn into a join button. Also, you'll be able to view all of the sessions from this screen. So each session will be live streamed into the lobby, and you'll be able to view it from here. And if you look over to the right upper corner, you'll see a menu with lobby, sessions, itinerary, expo, speakers, and people. If you go into sessions, you'll see all of the sessions we have for the conference. You'll be able to click on them and read a description about the session. You will also be able to join from this page. Once the conference starts, the start button again will turn into a join button. You can also go back into sessions and bookmark any of the sessions you've signed up for. So depending on which one you signed up for, you can bookmark welcome, closing, and then whichever sessions you have chosen. What that will do will create an itinerary for you, where you can also join from your itinerary. This again will turn into a join button. And the other menu option I wanted to show you is the speakers section, where you can choose any one of the speakers. You can read their bio, and also it shows you which session they are linked to. And on the day of the conference, if they do have any handouts, they will be located under the sessions menu as well. You can also join your session from here. There will be a join button that appears. And that is about it. That's just a quick little review of how to join the lobby. If you do have any issues, you can email me at ldelaney@douglasalumni.org or email Lizeth Martinez at lmartinez@douglasalumni.org, and we'd be happy to help you join the event. Thank you so much.